Hi there.
Hey, Arch. So we're doing school, huh? Do you do this every day?
Yes, I do. Because my mom tells me to.
Well, can you show us what you're doing in school today?
Oh, well, sure.
Here, you want to read that page?
It's heat. Right now I'm doing heat producers.
Heat producers.
Yeah, I'm at the final one. Let me read all of this to you. Fireworks. How do fireworks explode? Fireworks contain a mixture of chemicals. They are inside a container. The container is lit. Then it is sent into the air. Pressure builds up inside the container. The container finally bursts open. The lit chemicals spew out. Pew, spew, pew, pew. This action is similar to the pressure inside a pot of boiling water. The pressure from the steam builds. It becomes so great, it forces the lid to come off. Then the steam can escape. The chemicals in fireworks burst into flames. That's what you see is fireworks. Different chemicals make different colored flames. The chemicals in fireworks react with the fire to form an explosion. Pow! The explosion releases heat, sound, and light. Pretty much all three of that. This is called a chemical reaction. More about fireworks. Nah, it's asking us to visit a website, but I'm going to read it anyway. More about fireworks. If you would like to learn more about fireworks, ask your guide to supervise a visit to the Nova Online Kaboom website. I just read all of that.
Okay, and then what do you do?
Oh, this one isn't too bad. Make some heat. Some chemical reactions produce heat. Usually these actions happen quickly. The explosion from fireworks is an example. Other reactions can also produce heat. Friction. Rub your hands together very quickly. Do your hands feel cold or do they feel warm? Or do they feel about the same as before you rub them? Rubbing your hands back and forth produces heat. This heat is created by friction. Friction is a force that happens when two things are rubbed together. Friction can create heat. That's page 3. Yeah.
Is there more? Do you want to show us a module that you do? You going to take a quiz?
Yes, I'm going to take a quiz.
Well, what's next? Or just do your normal school. Let's see what you do.
Well, weren't you going to quiz me? Weren't you going to ask me a couple questions?
Well, I was actually hoping you'd just do the module to show what you do in school. What's this page about?
More heat.
Okay, go ahead.
Hot wires. Electricity can also create heat. Shut up, Max! Ask your guide to unplug a toaster, then clean it out. Look inside the toaster. You should see many wires going from one side to the other. The piece of bread slides between these two sets of wires. It doesn't touch them. Ask your guide to plug in the toaster. Start the toaster with the piece of bread inside. Watch as the wires turn red hot. Feel the heat that comes out of the top. See how the bread turns brown as the heat warms it. What happened? What do you think happened? In your notebook, write a few sentences about the experiment.
So what do you think happens in a toaster?
Basically, okay, so I think like when you put the bread in and push the lever down, the wires get all red hot, and it starts to make the toast brown and stuff. And then, when the toast is done, the red hot wires go up really fast to spring up the toast.
Okay.
And that's what I think happens inside a toaster.
Okay. What's the next page?
Okay, the next page is why.
Oh, that's what we just
And
talked.
a game.
Oh, okay. Okay, and check.
What caused the bread to turn brown? The heat from the wires did. What caused the wires to get hot? This is an electrical reaction. The electricity running through the wires produced heat, which toasted the bread. Electricity produces heat. And I'm gonna try this. I think it goes true and false.
I think you got to answer the question.
True. 7. Correct. Oh,
I have to plug you in.
false. Correct.
You got them both right. Here, let me get a charger.
Okay.
But if you... What?
I clicked.